Welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I had some challenges to find time for this project. But now I need your help. I have been trying to remove the valve covers a few days now, and it was really tricky. That's another story. Now I need your advice on what you think about them. I don't know how it should look and if it's looking good or bad. So please write in the comment and tell me what to do if I need to do something. This is the valve cover and it's underneath it, of course. So this is like very greasy oil. I think there's actually some sort of sensor underneath this. I don't know what that is. Hopefully you do. I think these needs to be changed. And when I'm saying these, it's this one. It feels like they maybe are leaking oil. I don't know. And here you can see it's very oily and like it seems to be like old oil. From my perspective at least. Interested to hear your thoughts. And this is how it looks without the cover. This is, yeah, pretty dry. It's been a while since this engine has been going. I think it's maybe 2 months or something. I can see like there's some oil here at least, which is good. But then we have like these parts, also very greasy. And if we look at this side too, I think these looks pretty good. These are the important parts, I guess. Here you can see like the oil separator, also a bit greasy. So right now I need all the help I can get. Hopefully you know what to do. I have new gaskets for it that I will add, but I'm not sure how much I need to clean it before. Maybe I need to switch out something else.